I'm happy to see you through this video. This is Unit 2. First thing I have to take Poe, class 9th standard, Poe, a poison tree. It was written by William Blake. Here first we have to know that what is meant by a poison tree. Poison is nothing but it is called some unnatural liquid. It affects our body, lungs, body organs. That is poison. It is one type of liquid. That liquid or tablets, everything is called a poison. It is opposite of body organs. That is called poison. Now the author represents a poison tree. Here he did not tell about a tree is having a poison. Tree is not having a poison. And also normal man is having a poison inside the heart. Through this poem, he compares two things. One is tree, another one is man. Man is having a poison. They are called scold, anger with another anger to anyone. Then scold anyone. The bad words, bad things were in your heart. That is poison. The tree has poison. Some kind of trees, the plants, we are having a lot of plants, but they are not having a natural plants. Some other unnatural. We do not get any fruit from that plants. It affects our lungs. It gives some poisonous fruit. That's why we didn't get some fruit from the tree. That is the way here the poet compares two things. One is man, another one is tree. They are having poisonous. How they are having it? We have to see through this book. Before seeing these stanzas, we have to enter the author introduction. Author introduction, it is enough your paragraph writing. 4 or 5 points enough to write your author introduction, then you continue the paragraph. Here, William Blake, he was born in London. First point, he was an English poet, painter and printmaker. In the last point, his works are The Lamp and The Tiger. They are the famous works. This is called William Blake, about the author. Now, it has a 4 stanzas. This poem has a 4 stanzas. Each and every stanza has a same rhyme scheme. The first line we see friend, end, A, for, grow, B. Every stanza has a same rhyme scheme, A, B. These lines are called couplet. What is meant by couplet? Couplet means the 2 lines joined after gives the one meaning. That is the way he expresses the poem. We see the stanza wise. Okay. This is called a metaphor poem. Metaphor poem means each and every stanza has an indirect meaning. That's why we are calling it metaphor poem. See this poem. First stanza. It is not a memory poem. You just get to your book and see the lesson. Then you understand everything, because it is helping to write the appreciation questions and paragraph. That's it. Okay. First stanza. I was angry with my friend. I told my wrath did end. Here, what is meant by wrath? Wrath is also anger. Wrath means anger. The 2 lines explain. First, we take 2 lines. The 2 lines telling about the friendship. Here, we have good friends. We are having a good friends. But unfortunately, we are fighting each other. Some bad incident, both of them. Some bad incidents having both of them. These type of things we are having it at the time, we angry about our friends. So, sometimes we didn't speak with them. We didn't express our anger to our friend, because we get some anger. Because he had done something, bad things to us. He had done bad things to us. So, we get angry. But we didn't express. after so long, we are close friends. That's why we express our anger. Yesterday you done a bad things to me. I understand. I realize your mistake. Then I apologize to you and I give the I reduce my anger about you. Okay, I reduce my anger about you. I am free now. This is the close relationship. Close relationship. They had a fight, but suddenly they have to rectify the fight and they join each other very happily. This is the anger is reduced very happily because close friendship never breaks. That is, the anger never breaks the close relationship. This is the first two lines. The second two lines. I was angry with my foe. I told it not. My wrath did grow. Here, these two lines especially says the friendship. The another two lines says the foe means enemy. Foe means enemy. It talks about enemy. I have an enemy. He has done something, some bad things to me. I am getting angry about my enemy. Still I didn't express because he is my enemy. So I didn't express my anger to him. But friendship, we express because he is close friend. I express everything. My anger also explain to my friend. But here, this two line, I was angry about my foe, but I didn't express. I didn't speak with him. I didn't communicate with him. That's why I didn't speak even single word. I didn't even express my anger. This is the first stanza. I say it in Tamil also. Here you understand. The first ரெண்டு லைன் பார்த்தனா ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப் சொல்லுது. ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப்ல கோவம் இருக்கும், சண்டை வரும், கோவமா இருக்கும் நமக்கு. ஆனால் க்ளோஸ் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப்ல என்ன செஞ்சிடும், ஃப்ரெண்டு கிட்ட போய் கோபத்தை நான் அவன் மேலே இதனால தான் கோபப்பட்டேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நீ சொல்லிடுற ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கிட்ட. ஏன்னா ஒரு 2 நாள் கோபம் இருக்கும், 3 நாள் இருக்கும், அதுக்கப்புறம் நீ சொல்லிடுவ. அதே கோபம் ஒரு எனிமி கிட்ட, ஒரு எதிரி கிட்ட வரும்போது அந்த கோபத்தை என்ன செய்ய மாட்டேறியா, நீ சொல்லவே மாட்டேறியா. அதை என்ன செஞ்சுட்டு இருக்கியா, உன் மனசுலேயே நீ வச்சுக்கிட்டே இருக்கியா, ஒரு வஞ்சகத்தன்மையோட வச்சுக்கிட்டே இருக்க. அந்த எனிமி கிட்ட போய் பேசுறது, அதை தான் இந்த 4 லைன்ஸும் சொல்லுது. நெக்ஸ்ட், and I watered it in fears, night and morning with my tears. The two lines. Still he didn't express his anger to his foe. He is still having the anger in his heart. That time he plants the tree. He plants the tree. He takes a seed and he plants the tree and he waters every day. He waters every day for that tree. But the tree takes his entire part of his heart, entire things from the heart. The tree is growing like a man. The man is having full of bad in his heart about the anger in the enemies, on the enemies. That the anger is still having the tree. The both things. This is tree. This is a man. The man is having a anger about enemy. He waters the plants. The plants also having that same quality of the man. Do you understand? The quality from what example we see the children. What you do, the children same reflect us. That is the way the man is having full of anger about his enemy. That's why the tree is having a same thing. That is the comparison. That quality is not ended. The quality is still alive. Tree and the man. That is the two line. With my tears means fear. I have a fear because I still having anger to my enemy. That's why I am having a fear. Night and morning with my tears. Every day, day and night, every day I am crying myself because anger is my heart. Anger is in my heart. That anger is not expresses to my enemy. So still I stop my emotions in my heart, he said to me. He said to us. And I sung it with smiles and with soft deceitful voice. What is meant by deceitful? Deceitful means cunnings is called a deceitful. And I sang One planet is growing help of the water and sun, the rays from the suns. The tree is very happy to grow. Help of the water, he gives everyday water for the tree, and also the tree takes the sun rays from the sun. That's why it is growing very happily. Okay, very happily. And with the soft deceitful vines, but it looks very beautiful, very soft, but it has a full of deceitful. Deceitful means cunnings. The tree has a cunnings. Why it has cunnings? Because the tree was planted by that man. That man qualities, the entire qualities without change in the tree. The man's qualities in the tree. That is the 4 line. I will explain once again. I will explain into Tamil. இப்போ அந்த ஒரு வஞ்சகம், அது அந்த கோபத்தை வந்து யாருக்கிட்ட வெளிப்படுத்தலை, அந்த எதிரிக்கிட்ட அவன் வெளிப்படுத்தலை. ஸோ அந்த கோபம் வந்து அவன் மனசுக்குள்ளே தான் இருக்கும்போது அவன் ஒரு பிளான்ட், ஒரு ட்ரீ வளர்க்குறான்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன், இவனோட குவாலிட்டி எல்லாம் அந்த ட்ரீக்கு போகும் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. இப்போ நம்ம ஒரு குழந்தைய பார்த்து பேசுகிறோம், நம்ம என்ன பேசுகிறோமோ அந்த குழந்தை அதுக்கு நம்மளை அப்ரோச் பண்ணி பேசுகிறோம். அதே மாதிரி நான் ஒரு கோபத்தை மனசில் வச்சுக்கிட்டு நான் அந்த எக்ஸ்பிரஸ் பண்ணலை, என் ஃப்ரெண்டுக்கிட்ட பண்ணிட்டேன், அவன் என்னோட க்ளோஸ் ஃப்ரெண்ட், அதனால் என் கோபத்தை சொல்லும்போது அவன் ஏற்றுக்கிறான். அதே நேரத்தில் என் எதிரிக்கிட்ட நான் சொல்லலை, ஏன்னா அவன் என்கிட்ட பேச மாட்டான், நான் அவன்கிட்ட பேச மாட்டேன். அதனால் அவன் கோபத்தை நான் அவன்கிட்ட சொல்லவே இல்லை, என் மனசுலேயே வச்சுக்கிட்டு நான் ஒரு ட்ரீயை வளர்க்குறேன். வளர்த்துக்கிட்டு இருக்கும்போது அந்த ட்ரீ வளர்ந்து வருதான். எப்படி வளர்ந்து வருதுன்னா, இவங்க நான் வச்சுருக்கேன்ல அந்த கோபமெல்லாம் அந்த ட்ரீயும் எடுத்துக்கிட்டு சந்தோஷமாக இருந்தோம்னா அந்த சந்தோஷம் எடுத்துக்கிட்டு அந்த ட்ரீ வளரும். நம்ம மனசில் கோபம் இருந்துச்சுன்னா அந்த கோபத்தை வச்சுக்கிட்டு என்ன செய்யுது, அந்த ட்ரீ வளருது அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. இதுதான் அப்போ கன்னிங் வே. இவன் கன்னிங், ஒரு தந்திரத்தோட, ஒரு மனசுக்குள்ள ஒரு இறுக்கத்தோடு இருக்கான். அந்த இறுக்கத்தை யாரும் வச்சுருக்காங்க, மரமும் வச்சுக்கிட்டு வளருது அப்படின்னு சொல்லி திஸ் செகண்ட் ஸ்டான்ஸா எக்ஸ்பிரஸஸ் த்ரூ த ஆத்தர் வே. நெக்ஸ்ட் த தேர்ட் ஸ்டான்ஸா, அண்ட் இட் grew both day and night till it bore an apple ripe. Here day and night the tree is growing. Who is planted? That man. That man is planted a tree. The tree is still growing like a beautiful manner. It is called apple tree. It is called apple tree. It has a beautiful apple. It has a beautiful apple. Till it bear an apple bright. The apple is fully bright. The apple is fully bright. And my foe beheld it shine, and he knew that it was mine. He said that my foe was entering into my garden. He sees the tree, that apple tree. The apple tree has a beautiful apple, that bright apple, soft apple. He wants to get the apple from the tree. My enemy wants to get it without my permission, that man's permission. He only planted the tree. He gives the permission, he takes the apple. He didn't give the permission, he doesn't take the apple. But he unfortunately entered in the cunning way. My foe, my enemy is entering into the cunning way to get my apple from that tree. That is the third stanza. The fourth stanza, and into my garden stole, when the night had veiled the coals. Here the two lines, especially the two line, the night time he enters into my garden, that time without bright, the time garden without bright, I didn't see very well because it has a darkness. That's why he easily picks the apples from my tree. He takes the apples from my tree through the cunning way. Then in the morning glad I see my foe outstretched beneath the tree. Here lastly, the last two lines says, the man who is taking the apple from my tree, my own tree, and he eats the apple. He eats the apple that night. I didn't see night because it has darkness. I didn't go there. I didn't see my enemy. The next morning, I'll go and see my garden. He takes my apple and he eats my apple. But he didn't alive. Why? He He is under in the tree. He is sleeping under the tree. Beneath means under. Stretched means sleeping manner. Who is, and the positioning is sleeping manner. He is sleeping under the tree. Under the tree like a dead. He was in a died mode. Okay. Thank